Hey guys, today's video is exciting. I'm trying out a mascara that I wanted to try out for a while, and I don't know why it took me so long to get it. So first of all, welcome to Mascara Monday. Today I'm trying out the Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara. This came out a while ago, and like I said, I wanted to try it, but I'm not really big into buying like high-end mascara because I feel like drugstore mascara is just as good. Yeah, I placed a Sephora order and I used my points to get the like travel size, so we'll see if I like it. If I do, then I'll probably purchase a big one. Okay, so this mascara has got weed in it, guys. Or cannabis. I'm not a smoker, like I don't know shit about smoking, so I don't know. I'll actually read to you what it says on the Milk Makeup website. So first of all, this retails for $24. Conditioning hemp-derived cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout. The hydrating formula also fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. Why cannabis? Ever since the inception of Milk Makeup, we wanted to create a product that provides the amazing properties of cannabis. When we started talking about coming out with vegan high-volume fiber mascara, we knew we couldn't use beeswax, a common binding component in mascara formulas. That's where hemp-derived cannabis oil comes in. It gives the formula a creamy texture that allows for smoother application on lashes and an easier tug-free removal. KUSH Mascara is the vegan way to get major volume and healthier looking lashes in one hit. Ha ha ha, I like how they have all the weed references, like hit. And then on the back here it says, wiggle that puff puff brush from lash line to tip, using the brush head to reach and define inner and bottom lashes. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I think whoever came up with this mascara was high while doing so, because this isn't doing anything. First of all, this brush is freaking huge. I've tried enough mascaras that I know the bigger the brush, the suckier the mascara is gonna be, because it's too much to work with. And it's super dry. Like it said it's supposed to be creamy. Like no, this is dry. And I've tried layering it and it's not doing anything. And I've had fallout too. Didn't it say something about no fallout? I'm glad I got the small one and didn't waste my money on the bigger one. You guys, it's seriously, no. That's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm super bummed this mascara didn't work out. But yeah, that's it for this video. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see featured in Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!